Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers from subscribing to my kitchen, and all the viewer watchers been watching and thinking about subscribing. Well, you looking at some good videos cooking with your family in Mr. Bell Kitchen. And that's all you had to do, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Just hit that button and you are subscribed. As you know, I've been going down that list, different things people wanted me to cook in the Power XL. I'm still going on that list, going down that list and cooking different things. Today, what I'll be cooking in this Power XL, I'll be sauteing today. Today I'll be sauteing some steak today. But first of all, I'm just going to set this on saute and press that button right there. Set the temperature for 375. Set for 375. And I'm going to press timer. And I'm going to set this minutes for possibly, I'm just going to put 1 hour. I'm not going to use all that. But I'm just putting it there. Like I say, you can always add time, but you can't take it away. So I'm just going to do this and just do the saute. I'm doing this for the first time. You know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step when I'm cooking in the Power XL, or if I'm cooking on the stove or the oven, I like to take you step by step. And I would like again to thank everyone. But today, my ingredients today, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 spoon of butter. And I'll be doing 2 steaks right here. My hands are nice and clean. As you see, these are rib steaks. So I'll be just sauteing these in the Power XL. And I'll be taking you step by step, and hopefully they come out very delicious like the rest of my recipes. So just keep watching, and we're gonna go down that list and just continue to go down that list until I reach everything. And now I'm gonna get started. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my butter in there, just like this. Just put it in there so it could just melt up while I saute this. And put it in just like this, and just let it melt all in there. So when I put these steaks in there, it'll be nice and good. In the meantime, I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and I'm just going to start putting a little stuff on this steak right here. I'm going to start with this black pepper and just put it all over just like that. Once I get the season all over it and everything, I just be rubbing it on it nice and good. Just like that. Put a little seasoned salt, just press that in there like that. You know the holidays is coming up. I should be having some nice pretty videos in this Power XL, so just keep watching. And just like that. Put it down like that, and I'm coming with the garlic salt, put a little on there like that. Just let it come on like that. A little bit of this garlic powder on like that, and just what you're gonna do. And it's just like you just massaging it. You're just gonna rub that all in. Just like that. I'm just going to rub it, and I'm going to flip it over. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the other side the same way. And just put it just like this. Put this black pepper on like that. Put a little black pepper over here. These are going to be nice and delicious. These saute steaks come out good when you saute them. I haven't had none in a long time, but someone left a comment in the box, so I'm going to do it. And we're going to do this step by step. just like that with the seasoned salt. Put the garlic salt on there. Put a little just like that. Let it go all over there. A little garlic powder. Like that. And you're gonna taste everything. Just like that. Like that. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna rub it in nice and good. Make sure it's all over there. Yeah. And this butter should be melting nice and good in here. Yeah. Just put it like that. Spread it all in there. Let it just melt. And as you see, the butter is melted and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set these steaks right in here, just like that. Sit it in nice and good as you hear steam from it and everything. Put the other one in just like that. And I'm gonna let it just saute for a minute, and these steaks gonna come out so delicious and everything. Just like that. Looking good and everything. So I'm training in there so they just get nice, good, and nice brown and juicy. And that's gonna go good with some rice and broccoli, a little smashed yams on the side, something a little sweet on the side. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna flip these steaks over nice and good so you can get the other side. You see how nice and brown, how that coming out and everything? Just like that. And it doesn't take that long to saute them nice and good. That's going to be so delicious. Yes, it is. I'm going to let that sit for a couple minutes. Okay, now we're going to flip it over and see how this back side looks. Looking good. I'm going to flip it over and let it just get the other side just a little more. And these are going to be so delicious. Yeah, I'm going to let it sit. You can see how good they're cooking and everything. You just want a fast steak or something like that, you wonder how you're going to do it, that's all you have to do. Do it Mr. Bell way, and you have yourself a nice, good steak. Yeah, leave that just like that. Let it just cook. And you know, in Mr. Bell kitchen, as you know, for all you first-time watchers and everything, Mr. Bell likes to wash his dishes as the food is cooking. So all you first-time watchers, wash your dishes as you go. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for the kids. Don't leave it for your friend. Wash them as you go. When you're sitting down, you can enjoy the food what you cook. Okay, these steaks looking nice and good. They look medium rare, nice and good, tender, and everything. Looking good there. Nice and good. So I'm gonna take these steaks out. And some people like their steaks medium rare, some like it well done, some like it medium done. So these right here are gonna be medium done. And I'm just gonna take them out just like this. Take it out. Sit it right here. Take this one out. As you see, the steaks is looking nice and good, little medium red. So I'm gonna slice it, and I'm gonna see how it tastes. As you see, it's nice. It's nice and looking good and everything. Nice and tender. I'm going to sit this right over here to the side. And that's nice and tender. And that's Cooking with Mr. Bell. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment in the box. And remember, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. And these steaks are looking real nice. And they taste good. And it didn't even take that long. It took about 13 minutes. 13 minutes to cook these two nice, beautiful steaks. Looking nice and good. Have a little juice on the side. If you like to juice the tender, have that with some nice, good rice and everything. And it's looking good. Let me flip it over so you can see the back side of them. And that came out real good. And that's, like I say, that's only 13 minutes. Didn't take that long to do it. Have a little juice to go with if you want potatoes or if you want rice with it and everything. That's nice. Thank you.